Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily manage switch off timer on your CHiQ L32. So first head over to the settings. Now scroll down until you guys see the system. Here go to power and energy and go over to power. Now here we have the switch off timer, and you can set it to either off or 240 minutes, which is 4 hours. So that's pretty good. You guys can change it also to like 60 minutes, 90 minutes. So let's say it's an hour and a half, so that's good. So this is how you guys can easily change that. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like, subscription and a comment. Bye.